Kingston College is represented this evening by Nikolai Downer, Kellen Malcolm, Jamani Clark, and team captain Kaim Barnaby. While Wolmer's Boys is represented by team captain TVJ Williams, Tennyson Richards, Javon Patterson, and Tyler Davis. Only one of these teams will move on to the quarterfinals. Hello everyone, welcome to continuing round 3 action here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. We're in for a good one today. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Wolmer's Boys won and decided to go first. So we begin with Wolmer's Boys. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have the time on the clock, so we'll begin Wolmer's Boys with principles of business. What specific market structure dominates when 2 companies control most market sales? Duopoly. That's right. Principles of Business, Kingston College. What document outlines estimated future inflows and outflows of cash?
Cash flow statement, document, so financial forecast. Document. Cash flow statement.
Cash flow statement.
That's correct. International Affairs, a visual question for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Bosnia and Herzegovina.
That's right. International Affairs, Kingston College. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed now.
Bulgaria.
Hungary. No, Bulgaria. English language, Wolmer's Boys. What figure of speech is used in this sentence? Polly paid a pretty penny for the pen.
Alliteration.
That's right. English language, Kingston College. What figure of speech is used in this sentence? The silence screamed.
Personification.
Yes, it's also an oxymoron. Mathematics, Wolmer's Boys. What is the sum of the first 4 terms of the geometric sequence 1, 8, 27,
100.
Correct. Mathematics, Kingston College. What is the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric sequence 5, 10, 20?
5, 10, 20.
So that's 70. So that is 120.
No, 155. Music and audio question for Wolmer's Boys. Gentlemen, listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
Formation.
Beyonce, correct. Music for Kingston College. Listen to the following clip, gentlemen, and give the title of this song.
I didn't want to write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't, but you still hit my phone.
My mama don't like you. My mama don't like you.
No, Love Yourself, Justin Bieber. Art, Wolmer's Boys. What is the name for the coloring material in paint which is mixed with a binder?
Pigment.
Good. Art, Kingston College. What is the name for art that does not attempt to represent external reality, but instead uses shapes, colors, and forms to achieve its effect?
Abstract art.
Abstract art.
That's right. Theatre and cinema. Visual question for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Jane Campion.
No, it's Julia Louis-Dreyfus from Seinfeld. Theatre and cinema for KC. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Tracy Ellis Ross.
Tracy Ellis Ross.
Yes, that's right. Bible knowledge, Wolmer's Boys. Who was Abraham's father?
Terror.
That's right. Bible knowledge, KC. Which of the Gospels was written first?
Mark.
Correct. Sport of visual question for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this person here.
Jack Grealish.
That's correct. Sports for Kingston College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person here.
Jordan Pickford.
Both professional footballers, that's right. Biology, Wolmer's Boys. Which structure prevents food from entering the trachea during swallowing?
Epiglottis.
That's right. Biology, KC. What vitamin is produced by gut microbiota and is needed for clotting?
Vitamin K.
Vitamin K.
That's right. French, Wolmer's boys. What is the English translation for Je suis pressé?
I am ready.
No, I'm in a hurry. French KC. What is the English translation for ça a du sens?
Two at once.
Two at once.
No, it makes sense. Chemistry. And that is the bell already. That's the end of the opening challenge. Let's take a look at the scores in the match. Kingston College on 7 points. Wolmer's boys slightly ahead on 9. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.